No, we're gonna go inside the mall. It's cold.
And why can't I wear the jacket?
Okay na.
Yep.
Yep. We must say yep and 3, 2, 1.
Yep. Jinx, you only have to.
Thanks, you only
No. You can't do that.
2. You only 2.
3,
4,
5,
6,
8.
10. I win.
Can't actually say 10. It must be you cannot actually say 10.
And then why when you said 6, you said 8.
Yeah.
10, 8.
You cannot go straight to 10. You can only say numbers that are below 10. And 8 is below 10.
9.
9.
10.
9. You said 9.
Why
Then
is it
the
10?
final number 10. There's nothing else I can say. So you have 10 seconds.
Why can't we buy some?
Or should I say 10 turns in the computer?
No.
Yes.
Not kuya. Kuya.
Yeah.
No, I can tell her. I can say it's finished.
What is me? What is me supposed to mean?
Good thing cars stick.
No, you're just far away.
Look far away. Somewhere.
Somewhere there's a big cloud and I want to be here. It's so hot. Cloud
Yung
needs to be here.
pagkakakain mo, Hero, nung tuyo, yung maalat kahapon. Your eyes are so red around the eyes.
Maybe because I scrub it.
Kaya nga, then stop scrubbing it. Nakakatawa yun.
No, not. It just reminds me of the scene from Pirates of the Caribbean. The person with the black girl, you know, the one that has in the eye that keeps on falling out. Just turns red light. He starts scrubbing. He tells God to scrub. You're that man. I think I just heard something. Oh yeah, we're dropping off you at school.
Ay, ay, ay. Tatapos ako.
Diyan kayo nag-pick up, kuya.
No, we went just straight to Rockville.
Nandun na yung iba.
What's up, gun?
6 daw sila.
Rockville. What else are you asking for?
What's up, gun?
Rockville.
Ano yun?
Dito.
Ano yun?
Dito.
Anong wab gun, Nay?
No, I don't say it. I'll let him.
Robinson's Gallery. Yeah.
Stage.
Why is it
I wanted him to figure it out himself.
Wab gun.
Is
Is
it
it just wab like galleria?
I think he
Rob.
knows. Ken,
Robinson.
alam niya
Galleria.
na asa
Every time we said wab, I kind of reminds me of wobbing.
Oh, sige, we're
So
gonna
I
be.
thought you're wobbing people getting their money.
Okay.
robbing a gal.
Wow.
A girl.
Then I imagine Kuya robbing people, then using their money to buy toys.
I do rob people with pencils.
Mayroon ka bang ano?
Wait, did you rob my mom?
No,
Pinanood
they left it on the ground. Whatever's on the ground is fine.
sa
Just keep
Netflix na kilala mo yung bida sa ano? Sa Sound of My
I just
Voice.
found
Hmm.
empty bottle
Finders
of.
keepers for this week.
Yung
I found an
webtoon artist. Siya yung bida doon. Tapos this time,
Let's just drag.
bida siya sa parang detective reality game na reality show. Grabe tawa ko.
My arm was
Psycho.
on it.
Ay, ko panoorin ko to kasama si daddy.
No, my
Pero parang nasimulan na
You
siya.
just stole it from me.
Sabi ko, pinanood ka ito ni daddy.
Hindi.
Panoorin natin mo. Kalokohan na naman yung gagawin.
It's on the ground.
Then I will take your head.
Di ba meron
It's
din
not on the
siyang
ground, it's
sinalin.
floating.
Siya ba yun yung
Your foot. Touch the ground. Finders keepers.
ingredients
I'll take your
na
slipper then. I'll take your slipper.
No.
pinaglutong
your
sila
butt
or
then.
what. Na mga traditional na ano.
I will take your husband.
Ewan ko kung siya yun.
Floating, right?
Parang siya eh.
Water. It's floating in
Pinanood
water.
natin yan eh. Reality
No,
show.
it's floating in meat chunks.
Ano siya. Kailangan niya mag-scoop sa jar.
Mhm.
Siya yun, di ba?
Ah.
Food inside.
Reality
and
din.
then
Galing nila sa ganon.
kain ba tayo sa labas?
Kumain na ako. That's for sure.
pinakamabilis. Tsaka mas controlled yung construction pag prefab.
Balik na sa ano. Probinsya, balik sa
Yes, yung style.
Yung style. Pati nga yung mga kulay ng kagaya naman. Kinukuha niya yung kulay. Akala tuloy ni Kuya Kenshin. Basta na Lambo. Akala niya pumunta tayo sa Lambo. Ano pa yung gagawin natin doon? No?
Bibili. Kaya ako nagpunta eh.
Ano?
I'll buy Hero a Lamborghini on Axe. Yeah.
Sabi ni Daddy, that's the last car that he
Let's
was
go one
buying.
more level. Just for this once. No. Yay! Forgot what was it? Seahorse was it?
You have never seen a gecko.
That seahorse level?
It's level 6.
And,
But there's a level 7. We're always at level 5, the seahorse.
so this is the seahorse. It's fine.
Dad, when you go home,
No,
What?
let's not bother
The
that.
gecko level. There's
Yeah.
even a level 7. A dragonite.
Dad, bada.
Meron na yung
I'm
7.
just kidding. Ha?
There is level 7.
Oh, 7 one. Serpentine.
Eh?
Ano?
There's even a level Godzilla.
What?
Yeah.
The little stick.
Godzilla.
Gujira. Gujira.
Dad, when you're about to go home, can you check it out? Dad,
Why would I even do that now?
Baka
Yeah.
tayo pagalitan.
last
Sabi-
time you guys went there.
Hindi kasi wala talaga dito sa level 5. Sa, sasabihin sa atin ng guard, why are you snooping around?
Guard, may problema ka dyan.
Sabihin ko yung kapatid ko po ng boat. Sabi ko ayaw ko. Sabi niya, please. Sabi ko ayaw ko tuloy. Ito sabi ni nanay na,
Kuya, ito ang jacket ha. Baka mamaya, hingan mo ako ng jacket. Ha? Magdala ka? Ken?
Papa.
Sige.
Nanay, where do I put this? The pillow.
Iwan mo lang na. Ken, nasa sige.
Dito sa loob.
Ay.
Hindi rin niya alam kung ano yun. Dapat nag-backing up siya doon. Hintay niya tayo. Lolo na yung
Eh. Balandra siya. Paano ko? Kahit gusto ko siyang pagbigyan eh.
Correct. Init sa labas. Tapos mag-ano na naman. Magugulan-gulan. Pero yan yung sinasabi niyo may bagyo. Tapos na.
Wala na. Ang bagay.
Bagyo.
Sabi ni
Drizzle.
Yowa. Binida sa akin ni Yowa.
LPA.
Ano yung PA?
Baka naman dad, di ba bagyong iniisip ko? Hindi sa langit kundi dito sa lupa. Bagyo ng mga
Oh,
crush.
wish nila may bagyo para yung mga rally hindi matuloy. May BYD na naman. Oh. Dami ng BYD yan sa Pasita.
Actually, based on ako lang.
Okay naman, oh.
Kung wala nga tayong sasakyan, first timer natin. Kaya siguro.
Ascension.
Level of ascension. Okay. Asan din sa gitna?
Ikot sila ng ikot dito kahit taas. Puno na. Hard. Beat. Fast. Wala pa ng S. Colors and processes. Pag pumunta ka dito ng 1:43 PM, puno na.
Kanahin ko sa game.
How to be brave?
Actually.
How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand unknown, all of my doubts. That is for my debut album. Very first upload ko sa sa YouTube channel ko na music channel.
Wow. Hindi monetize.
Uy, napanood. Pero,
Copyright, di ba?
You cannot.
anong ginagawa ng mga Cobra. Paano sila kumita?
Wala.
No kita. Oo, si Aljur walang kita.
Only speaking facts. Well, most of the facts.
Ay, nakaka-record pa na sila. Hindi, sorry na. I-delete mo na lang yung portion na kumakanta. Gawin mo na lang shorts. Joke lang. Ang galing din ni Lino. Ay, nagamit niya agad yung mga ganong meme. Nakaka-relate agad yung video. Gaano kabigat ang ganong file? Ilang minuto yung ano niya? Show 30 minutes sabihin mo na. Yung video. Ganun. No?
Matataas yung ano niya. Mga gamit niya.
Pero naka 4K na siya.
Oo.
Ah, 4K siya?
4K siya. Mas mabigat nga yun. Mabigat yung processing nun. Pero yung output parang same lang siguro nung sa akin.
Palagay mo naka Da Vinci siya.
Malamang.
Daming vape shop. May benta. Pagkakasubo. Alam mo, legit ba yung ano mo? Nabili mo? Ano to? Yung bilog na puti? Ano tawag doon? Parang hindi ko siya naaamoy. Yung...
Ayun doon. Yung mothball.
Oo. Maamoy naman ano nung...
Oh.
Hindi ko siya naamoy nung pumunta. O baka dahil nakahulas na nasa labas. Wala si Rainier sa electrical.
Siguro.
Siya ba yung gumawa nun?
Siya lang.
Hindi niya pinautos sa iba. Ay,
Sa kanya din pagagawa ni Tala eh. Yung pagkukonekta dun sa submeter at saka so parang it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Sabi ko ayoko na maraming kausap at least pag si Reynel lang. Yung ano na lang, yung Jetmatic na lang.
Oh, then done. Kasi
Pwede na, tatagal na tayo.
yung pagpabakod-bakod, kaya nang utay-utayin din yun eh. Kung pwede nga natural na pabakod eh.
Kawayan lang, sa palagay ko kawayan lang, pwede na.
Tapos yung antay na lang na lumaki yung mga tanim.
Oo, kawayan. Yung kawayan.
nakastay put na tayo doon, bigla tayong magkakaroon ng eureka moment na, ay, ganito dapat gawin. You just have to
Gusto ko lang ding tumagal doon.
put on, give time.
1 month tayong 4 na nandun.
Oo, gusto ko tayong apat.
Hmm.
Yung, diba, buong summer nila.
Tapos walang gadget, walang cellphone,
Tsaka walang ref, walang TV,
walang TV,
walang,
walang internet.
walang relo, walang
Mm.
kalendaryo.
Walang bahay. Walang pagkain, walang tubig, walang dami.
Walang dami. Oh my, kuya, don't be like that. Ano kasi Tarzan?
Walang alam sa gagawin.
Doon ka lang, nakaupo ka lang.
We're just doing absolutely nothing. No ideas at all. Oh my God.
Wala
Wow.
lahat.
Wala lahat. Talagang walang no talking.
Ano gagawin? Di ko alam. Ano na
The
gagawin?
only thing you need to do is breathe.
Di alam kung anong gagawin.
It's a song.
Pero ano, buti hindi na nangyayari yung yung pagising ko, naapakan ko yung leg ko.
Oh,
Yeah, dati nagagawa ko yun, hindi na.
wow.
Yeah, when I wake up, I accidentally step on my neck.
Are you,
If it was your ankle, sure, but your neck?
Yeah.
Okay, you used your hand to step on it. You just
No.
grabbed your foot and put it on the neck. Then you somehow reattach your foot without using any surgery.
And it's by accident.
Oh, okay,
Ano
okay.
ka, acrobat?
Dad just rips off his foot, put it in his hand, and then puts it on his neck. And then somehow attaches it without surgery. Okay, makes sense.
Ayun, may cell site, oh. Cell tower yun.
Wait, do I have to walk home with the heat?
Bukas. Baka nga kuya, there's a revolution going on in Manila.
That's Manila, not
To,
Laguna.
well, it affects the whole country. We will never know.
Bali sa-
Mamayang gabi, martial law. Yeah.
Declare ni
Yeah.
gobyerno ko.
So it's possible.
What's martial law again?
Oh my goodness, kuya.
military,
You don't even wanna know.
Is it
It's
harsh?
like
Of
COVID.
course. Everything is controlled by the military.
I can't even say that word. Yung kuya, yung Malacanang Palace where the president is residing,
Yeah.
it's under attack right now.
I
Right
know.
this very minute. We barricaded it last night.
Okay. I don't think there's gonna be one on Pasok.
Hashtag. The only person na may pasok ay si Kenshin Yalo.
Sige, give me bombs.
Wow, the whole Philippines walang pasok except this person. Wow. How special are you?
Not really.
How specific can you get? Ganda ng word na yun.
Yun na yung kulay. Military green.
Military color. Wala pasok.
Yan.
Except nga ikaw. Ano gagawin mo?
Get short.
I mean, there's somebody out there who singled you out. Of all the billion and gajillion people in the world, ikaw lang. Ikaw lang ang may pasok. The whole universe walang pasok.
Ako,
Kenshin left the building.
ang gagawin ko, comment hours of
Hindi na,
Be
that's actually,
thankful,
hindi
ba?
na, posible yun na, yung mga absent ikaw.
thank you, my no, I ain't
Sasabihin
going.
ni Kenshin, can I just bring a substitute? My brother.
Then, can I bring some wine and cloth as well as a lighter?
Kuya.
A wine, cloth, alcohol,
Umwala talk?
a Molotov, hindi coke.
Kuya, this conversation is being recorded.
Oo,
Yeah, I
recorded.
know.
Be
And
mindful.
mom's giving me ideas, so it's not my fault. You're giving me ideas.
What idea?
Me not going to school equals me doing something drastic.
Ano
Gosh.
yun? You are going to school. Everybody is not except
Kawawa
you.
si kuya.
I'm the one quiet, you know.
9,
I'm the quiet kid.
9.
Oo, alam ni Hiro na whatever he say will be used against him in the court of law.
You aren't silent.
How clever this guy.
You aren't silent, brother.
I've been not talking for the whole trip up here.
No, you not the whole trip agang. You were talking a lot naman nga eh.
Dami lang. Uno.
Naman nga eh.
Si Kuya na
Nga
lang.
eh.
No? Kaya naman na niya yan.
Focus.
do this.
I know, I just don't want to do it. Of course, people make me do it.
Oh, hindi ka
Can I
makakababa.
go out now?
Ako na.
Sabay-sabay na tayo.